Guys, I'm gonna do a fall wearable makeup look. This is an intermediate version of the last Thanksgiving look I did. The other one was more advanced and more creative. Nobody's gonna wear that for Thanksgiving, you know. Not with your family, I know, I get it. So this is a more wearable look, but it's still not so wearable. Like, it's bright, it has shimmer. So this is more for intermediate level. So I just did a simple orange and brown makeup look with a nude ombre lip with orange blush, gold highlighter. Something simple, something that screams fall without taking so long and making it so hard and pretty and easy. Well, easy but not really, so it's in the middle. To me it's easy, but for most people I'd say it's intermediate level. This is the look that I did today with this AC Beauty palette, my favorite fall palette. I used most of the orange and browns and the gold ones for this look, and that's it. So keep watching if y'all want to see how I created this look, and yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye. I keep forgetting to use eyelash curlers. Inside I have mascara for like a long time. I didn't use them, but now that I forgot that I have this one. I just use it probably like once, so I'm gonna use it right now. My lashes are drying right now, so I'm just gonna go quickly. Oops, I should probably use a mirror. I don't know how to use these because it doesn't catch all my lashes, only the first ones. You see, I can't get these. I think that's why I didn't use it anymore. So I'm just gonna apply my lashes. Does everybody have the same issue using these, or is just me? I can apply lashes like that, but I can't use this. I mean, I know how, but it doesn't get all of my lashes, only like these inner corner ones. It's so strange. I don't know why. Okay, I got my eyelashes, more eyelashes out. But still now I need to get the middle a little bit out, but not the outer lashes. Give me tips, cause let me see if I just do the outer part. It's cause no se puede, cause this, yeah, I don't know how. Okay, look, I think I got most. Okay, I think it's better now. I think I'm getting the hang of it. So now I'm gonna use mascara. My blemish is disappearing. Yesterday it was more red and bigger. And I used the cleanser that I talked about yesterday, and it is shrinking. So I'm still going to cover it. Oops, I put too much with concealer, and then I'm gonna add powder over it. And see, you can barely see it. I mean, you see a boulder, like a pimple, but it's not as red. So you can kind of hide it, so that's good. So now I'm gonna put powder and let it sit for a little bit. See it, but it's not as noticeable. Put a little bit, way too much.